leadership programs. They take students from malala nina mastipend ukufunda nawe local oba bathela bayihonda back
yena ngena ezilo program lesicela le administration ekhaya kwakuyi program yakasinga simonitorisha labantu laba cause bebe no plumbing o robots thina besisiza lapho ku administration so ke kwanento ukuthi okay lesihola yes sihola kodwa kulonyaka nje kusakha lesihole then safike sayikhuluma bazofuna ukuthi akhiphe incwadi ukuzosiholela kanjani ukuthi kuneyinkinga
sondela bani
yabo sakuvumela lokho cause i-payment yokuqala bekumele kube uMay kube uJune bese kube uJuly wasinika uMay kuphela uJuly masizama ukuthi because khona even i-proof la ukuthi kade sizama ukuxhumana ngoba samtshela ukuthi makukhona ama-changes sicela communicate yabo kodwa yena uyaziba akasho ukuthi ngamambi makhonza kenze ukuthi manje
ubani igama lelo empathweni
umbali majola Mr. Living
boss bani igama letraining iyona le ishooting le nangu umfowethu njalo sikhona la ngithi azingane lapha lezi yakhala kakhulu thina siphila namagwele lapha kodwa manje ingane lapha seyifika ziyakhala and then I think sometimes when you are facing challenges in the government system government sometimes you need to be clean bantu abasuke be involved in the project because then ukuthi ingane iqhaphazeke kanjena izeyikhale kuthina you see what this is the future of this country and then the future of this country and the government efaka imali as a subsidy ukuthi they must get training and they get leyo madlana leyo kwazi ukuthi zilokhulu and then in the process they see that they are being robbed in the process for 6 months bengaholi and then mase becomplain na hola 1 month no bahola once yes and then don't do you know ukuthi we got a very painful background abazali abazi ukuthi ingane mangabe thiwa ithola umfundaze noma thiwa ithola ukuthini yabona mhlawumbe noma ikhonela izama khona impilo bona my phone ingane ekhaya ithi mama nginamali umama udayisa inkukhu adayise iqhuthe noma adayise isibayini
uyabona kade niva insevisi ngithi labantu abizo so angina
uyabazi noma uyabakhumbula uyanazi noma uyakhumbula angicela ukubuza
bengahleze khona on-site yakhe
site khona la ngithetha khona ama-trade
yes
so ngithi ngiyabakhumbula ngoba ngokwempilo la yabona
yes
so bafiki but ifanele la ngiyindala ngiyade kwemfumelelo anginalo
yebo
ngokubazi bona ngiyabazi
yebo ba
into engayisho mhlawumbe ukuthi umakela umbani kamanje abengekho kamanje kama umuntu esingathela bebe futhi ubani kakhulu sibafuna ubani siphusimfonele noma atholakale ukuthi mhlawumbe bashiye iqale zabo yini ngeke nawe ube nento eyalokwazi engikwazi ukuthi yabazi but ukuthi ke yini eyenzekile kwenzeka first
kwenzeka kaningi lokho basinakwenzile nomanje wayicompany aluveze evidence ama-date njalo besasimali lethu kuthiwa simali ya-F mase sithi siyoclaim ya-F ayikho sabuya siza kumbani la samtshela sathi thina inkampani ayiveli wathi hayi sekuvele ukuthi kanjani akasiningane-ke le mali samtshela sathi sila asinayo imali yokugibela sicela usinikeze imali yokugibela hayi ngeke ngize ngenze leyo nto anginayo ngathi okay-ke fine ukuthi thina kuphela ehluphekile nje silesiqeqela sicela unikeze imali lethu-ke thina-ke esihluphekile ngiyaliwazi
mani mfresh ngizocela ukuthi le ngilungise ngokukhulu and futhi engabi nama do's and don'ts nama challenges ngoba ingane engaka efisa ukuya phambili ngempilo ngeke zime zomaphambi kwami la siqamba phambili
mhla 14 July i last payment befanele ngumhla 3 July ya March wasikhokhelela uJanuary kuphela ngoMay late nakhona
So
akasigcina ngesithembiso wathi ama-UIF forms iyona into ezoba i-priority bese kulandela ama-payments to date abasina information abasi-updatile ukuthi why singena ama-UIF forms bazosibuza ukuthi siye kumuphi ulabour samtshela sathi bePinetown. Okokugcina on the 6th if I'm not mistaken ngafonela ngawhatsappa uMiss Mzimela ngoba no-responsible for indaba yama-UIF form ngathi namanje akakalungi yini wathi akakalungi kwashiya kanjani indoda yakalebhe yathi uma imfonela wathi sabatshela ukuthi sobanika amasekulungile nini uJuly akekho ukhuluma nathi.
Okay, that is very perfect. And then after that, if you think how many of you got similar problem? Because as I departure here, I'm going to fall in Putimana in these training colleges that we are facing similar problems where we are being used and manipulated by the owners of the project, and the owners of the project take your money instead of paying you what you deserve. Beginning of the year, you never earn anything.
Sathola ngana lo 1 ngoba ngase sishilo ukuthi sizoza kuwena sathola lo 1 kwaphela kanjalo nakhona sesilwile ngoba kwakuthule we communicator only if uthina sesibuzile noma safika la personally otherwise bengaxaki ngabantu.
And then another thing, I'm not expecting any mistreatment when we resolve this issue. I don't expect you because Nina Makawe to stand for the government, to stand for the truth, to stand for your own. I'm not expecting any ill treatments when this problem is resolved. That way to and everything, and even is also I'm a security officer. People who are supposed to wash trash.